Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate ramp for managing insurance company procurement, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate ramp for managing your insurance company procurement, begin by creating an account. Visit the ramp homepage and click on the sign up button. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a strong password. Once you submit your information, check your email for a verification link. Click on the link to verify your email address and complete the account setup. After verification, log into your ramp account using your credentials. Navigate to the settings section by clicking on your profile icon in the upper right corner. In the settings menu, find the option for integrations and click on it. Look for the Insurance Procurement Management tool in the list of available integrations. Click on the Activate button next to the Insurance tool. You may need to provide additional information about your insurance company, including business details and procurement preferences. Follow any prompts that appear to configure your insurance procurement settings. Once all necessary information is entered, confirm the activation of the insurance tool. Review the dashboard that appears after activation to familiarize yourself with its features. If available, take advantage of any guided tours or tutorials provided by Ramp. Begin adding suppliers and managing your procurement processes through the new tool. Regularly check back to review procurement metrics and optimize your insurance procurement strategy. Make sure to update your information periodically as your insurance company evolves. Utilize Ramp's customer support if you encounter any issues or need further assistance with the activation process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.